Rebecca, and I'm so happy to say that I walked a portion of the Camino de Santiago in July of 2021, about 160 miles from Astorga to Santiago de Compostela, and I learned a lot. This video is answering the question, what happens if you are a person who wears glasses on the Camino? What do you need to know? Okay, so first of all, you will definitely need to carry some kind of cleansing cloth. I have carried one in my little waist backpack, my waist pack, bum bag, fanny pack. I was able to find a very small, light cloth. I think this was a freebie from a business or a school event or something. So it tucks into its own little pouch. It weighs basically nothing, and I could stick it in the pocket of my bum bag and fanny pack and have it handy. Because of course you're going to sweat, you're going to get a little drizzle of rain, dirt, and your glasses are going to get more dirty than usual because you are outdoors and hiking, of course. So there's that. A second thing is that I think it is worth the wait to bring an extra pair of glasses. I took, this is an older prescription of mine, but these still work just fine. And I was actually with a friend on a trip in Europe when her glasses got stepped on, and it was difficult. It had a happy ending. There were some very generous people in Paris, a man who fixed her glasses, but that may not be available on the Camino, especially not in the little tiny villages that you're going through a lot of the time. So I think it is worth it bringing more than one pair to, just for peace of mind. Now, did I put my extra pair in the heavy case that, you know, they give you at the glasses place? No, I did not. I found this really light case. It's actually made for something else, but I was able to put my glasses in there. And this only weighed 2.3 ounces, something like that. So very small amount of weight for a lot of peace of mind. And I just put it, you know, kind of deep in my backpack and forgot about it. I didn't need it, thankfully, this extra pair. But I would carry the extra pair. And I am someone who was very intense about having a very light backpack. I carried under 3 kilos, unless you would like add full water bottles, and under 6 pounds. So I feel like this was worth the wait, and I'm really stingy about weight. So I recommend carrying that extra pair of glasses. The other thing I recommend is some kind of case. This is what I use, a place to put your glasses at night. Because in albergues, they're very much like a dormitory situation. You have bunk beds usually, and there is no little cute table next to the bed where you could stick your glasses. There's a floor, but obviously you don't want to step on your glasses. You don't want other people stepping on your glasses. Things can happen if you put them in your backpack, like you might forget where they are, or you might put something on top of them. So REI had a very super lightweight. This weighs something like 1.2 ounces, 30 grams or so. I found it was really handy. So I always knew where my glasses were. And I actually would put my glasses in here and tuck it into my sleep sack so that I was certain exactly their location. And I didn't have to, you know, fiddle around in my pack or on the floor to find them the next day. Also, this was big enough that I could put both my glasses and a couple of other things, like my earplugs. I would have my night things in this case. I also had a sleep mask, and I recommend both of these two items because people do snore and make other kinds of noises, so you do want earplugs. I like these beeswax Mighty plugs, they're called. I tried a lot of different earplugs before I left. These were my favorites, and they fit into my little glasses case. And then a sleep mask was nice because, you know, some people get up a couple hours before I want to get up, and so that was handy too. It's also handy on the plane. Both of those items, they fit nicely into my little glasses case, and this was my little night kit, and so it did double duty, and it's great on the Camino to make every item do more than one thing or be useful for more than one thing. So that was a great little thing. So yeah, carry a cleaner cloth, carry somewhere to put your glasses, and carry an extra pair of glasses. That's what I did. It worked for me, and I had a lot of peace of mind, and I had a lovely Camino, and I hope you will too.